Yo man, welcome back to another YouTube video. Ang pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba yung nangyayari kapag di mo binibigyan ng atensyon at oras yung babae. Basically, if you ignore women. So alam ko medyo controversial yung dating niyan, pero let me be clear. So hindi ito game or trick. Hindi mo siya i-ignore to play games or to manipulate her. Karamihan sa mga lalaki ngayon, binibigay nila yung attention at oras nila sa babae ng libre. Kapag binibigay mo ng libre ang isang bagay, by definition, walang halaga yan. So, if you want women to respect, desire, and become obsessed with you, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that sa video na to. So, sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms and I help men understand the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So, bago tayo mag-deep dive, okay? Bago tayo mag-deep dive sa video na to, gusto ko lang i-plug. Meron akong on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Dito, malalaman mo on how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological attraction triggers using momentum-based attraction. So, kung palagi kang nababasted, nare-reject, nape-friendzone, or natotorpe, check mo yung link sa description box. Sure ako makakatulong sa'yo yan. Now, back to the video. I'm going to give you insights on how to make your time and attention so valuable that women will see you as the most valuable man in the sexual marketplace. First, foundation muna tayo. You want to prioritize yourself and your success. Yung first principle na yan is non-negotiable. A man has to make his personal success and self-improvement his absolute number one priority. That means you are pursuing excellence sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sa career mo, sa passion mo, sa health, sa income mo. And yung amount ng time, energy, and money na binibigay mo sa mga bagay na yon should lead you to real tangible results. Pinaka-crucial that you treat your needs as your number one priority. Okay? So this is not a form of selfishness. This is a form of self-respect. If you are not actively building a life that is self-sustainable and interesting, walang babae o kung sino mang tao yung gustong pumasok sa mundo or sa circle mo. If priority mo yung sarili mo at yung success mo, this immediately impacts how you treat your time and attention. Remember, you must put a price and value sa oras at attention mo. Now, dito nagkakamali yung mga lalaki kasi they treat their time like it's free. If you give something away to anybody at zero cost, it is by definition worthless. As a man, yung time at attention mo, yung pinaka-valuable resource mo. Kasi ang dami mong pwedeng magawa dyan. You can build your life, your kingdom, your dream life, yung dream lifestyle mo by using those resources. So it's very valuable. And yung time and attention mo, hindi infinite yan. Di ba nga mas mahalaga yung oras kaysa sa pera? Kasi yung pera kaya mong ma-generate. Yung oras hindi mo na mababalik. Now, your time plus focus or time plus yung time mo tsaka yung focus mo, we call it your mental bandwidth. So if you allow every drama, every distraction, or every person to steal your focus, your mental bandwidth, you are robbing your own future. Kaya much better pahalagahan mo yung time and attention mo. So now na na-establish na natin yung internal foundation, let's talk about how this affects your external behavior. To be a superior masculine, you cannot be accessible to everybody. Halos lahat ng lalaki ngayon palaging available, masyadong accessible, nagre-reply agad. Mas pina-priority yung babae. Hindi ginagawa yung alam nilang kailangan nilang gawin para lang maging available sa babae. Okay? They constantly seek for attention, for validation. So, isipin nyo, presidente kayo. And the president is the most high-value personnel ng isang bansa. Pwede ka bang bigla na lang pumunta sa opisina niya at mag-demand ng 5 minutes ng oras niya? No, di ba? Absolutely not. Their time is too valuable. Dadaan ka sa pagkarami-raming assistant at secretary para lang makausap siya. And you need to view your time and attention the same way. Your availability should reflect your priority. Now, itong restricted accessibility mo leads directly sa core topic ng video na to. So, the power of ignoring women. When a man genuinely stops needing approval or stops worrying if a woman is validating him, the dynamic shifts kasi meron ng polarity. Siya na yung magsa-start maghabol sa lalaki. This happens because she craves the attention and validation that is now being withheld. It's a basic human desire because women are security-seeking creatures by default. They want attention from men kasi biologically, they feel safe pag nakikita sila ng mga lalaki. Kasi noong unang panahon, once upon a time, if hindi sila nabigyan ng atensyon ng tribe leader nila, pwede silang hindi mabigyan ng pagkain, maiwanan, or mamatay kasi di sila nabigyan ng proteksyon. So, wala naman na tayo sa panahon na yon, pero dala-dala pa rin nila yung survival instinct na yon. Now, this kind of strategy cannot be fake. Hindi mo to mapepeke. Women are incredibly smart and perceptive when it comes to testing a man's strength. Meron silang deep intuition, mas malakas yung pakiramdam nila. They will know 100% if a man is just pretending to be busy or acting like he does not care. Kaya hindi gagana yung mga tactic na imamatch mo yung oras ng reply mo kung ilang oras siya bago mag-reply sa'yo. That's complete bullshit. The power comes if you really prioritize your time and focus sa pag-build ng sarili mo at ng gusto mong buhay. Kaya mong hindi pansinin yung mga maliliit na bagay na yan kasi meron kang mas malaking mga problema na nagmamatter talaga. You are operating at a higher level of concern. Puno na masyado yung plato mo, meaning you have no more time or energy to waste worrying about small feelings or tiny interactions with women. Kapag masyado kang available, even the smallest thing, kunwari ang tagal mag-reply ng babae, nag-iba yung tono niya sa text, it is enough to make you feel weak or anxious. Yung peace of mind mo is dictated by external sources. So if you want to be the superior masculine, your worth, value, and yung resources mo is protected by your own mission. Now, let's talk about how this affects yung attraction. Women attraction is won through the psychological, not the logical. So yung mga accomplishments mo, like yung income mo, yung savings mo, yung kotse mo, yung dami ng abs mo, yung on-paper achievements mo, those are logical credentials. They are secondary. Useless yung mga yan kung hindi mo pinoproject na mahalaga yung oras at attention mo. Kaya kahit marami ka pang pera, kaya kahit i-date mo pa siya sa Wolfgang, kung palagi kang available, lagi mong binibigay yung attention mo, walang worth yung time and attention mo, wala din. Di ka niya ma-perceive as a high value man, as a superior masculine. So what truly matters is the perception of you she holds in her head. Isipin mo palagi that you are selling her a vision of a valuable life, hindi ka nagbebenta ng resume. Wala siyang paki dyan sa una. Titingnan niya lang yan kung attracted na siya sa'yo. Supporting documents lang yan, yung mga achievements mo. So, paano ba gagamitin yung attention mo strategically? Use your attention only as a reward for a positive behavior. Isipin mo ganito, you give a high five for a job well done. Hindi ka makikipag-appear sa taong binibigyan ka ng bullshit. If you are always giving attention regardless of how she treats you, you are giving away your power. Parang sinasabi mo na, I will validate you no matter what, kahit i-disrespect or bastusin mo pa ako. So kita nyo yung tono, di ba? Parang nakakasuka. Walang self-worth yung magsasabi ng ganyan. So if naka-encounter ka ng problematic behavior sa babae, ang tagal mag-reply, naging cold, or dinisrespect ka dahil hindi pinahalagahan yung oras mo, the most effective solution is immediately removing attention and validation. Do not chase her. Do not validate her. Huwag mo siya bibigyan ng attention palagi. Do not be too available. Now, kung palagi mong binibigyan ng oras at attention mo yung babae, it loses its worth. Kapag nawalan ng worth or value yung attention mo, this will lead to disrespect. And then maghahanap na siya ng attention sa ibang lalaki kasi your attention is no longer a prize. Wala nang value eh. So, bigyan mo lang siya ng oras at attention kung nagugustuhan mo yung energy na nire-reciprocate niya at tuwing bakante ka lang. In short, the power of ignoring her is really the power of focusing on yourself. When you protect your time, prioritize your mission, and treat your attention like a valuable asset, you force others to respect your boundaries. Hindi ka nagiging kupal, okay? Hindi ka nagiging kupal o masamang tao. You are simply protecting your self-worth. So, kung na-enjoy mo tong video na to, comment down below kung ano yung pinaka natutunan mo para mas ma-reinforce yung lesson sa utak nyo at hindi na kayo mabastos at matapak-tapakan ng tao. Also, if you are ready to master the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine, yung tipong magiging desperate siya for your attention so you can naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons, hanggang sila na yung hindi mapakali na maging kayo. I created an on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Kung palagi ka nababasted, nare-reject, nafe-friendzone, at natutorpe, click mo lang yung link sa description box. Andun yun. Check mo na lang. So, choose to build yourself, bro. I'll see you on the next video. And also, baka gusto mong panoorin tong video na to, si YouTube yung nag-suggest niyan. Ibig sabihin, yan yung mga topic na most likely interesado ka. And for sure, makakatulong din sa'yo tong video na to. So yun lang. Hope to see you on the next video. Let's go.